Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to extrude cut at an angle. So you can create new design, and as example for the object I will draw rectangle, use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to create for the cut angles, you can make a new plane with angles. Like as example, you can go to design, click plane tools, and I will select up this face to create new plane. Next, you can rotate these angles by using move tools. Select the plane, and then you can click in right axis to rotate the planes and make the angle like this. You can move against, like we can move into blue axis here like this. Now you can create objects in this plane. You can select sketch mode, and I will move into plane view. You can draw rectangle again for the cutting object and sketching, and after it we can use the pull tools to cut the object. You can select this object. Don't forget to check for cut, and then click hold. You can move to cut at an angle like this. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to extrude cut at an angle. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.